Well,
hi, T.
Hi.
Hi, T.
Hi.
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 Hi. I can't go that high. Robert?
That wasn't even as high as I
That's your ass on fire. This is your ass. This is your ass on fire. Any questions? Okay.
Now, like I was saying, you want to be really creative and kill somebody.
That is utterly red meat.
Simple.
I'm so hungry.
Oh, watch. Check this out. We have something here. It's called a vent hood.
What?
It has a fan.
What are you talking about?
And a light.
Holy crap!
What did they invent?
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And gas.
Wait, which one's
Yeah, I
mine?
figured it. No, this is mine.
Wait.
Or is it? Whoa, actually.
Actually, wait. No, this is fine.
Fuck it. I'm drinking this one. I don't give a shit at this point.
Fuck it.
Beer.
Tastes like beer. Looks like beer. Smells like beer.
Smells like Chad throw up.
It's not Corona.
Hey, you know, so someone gave me a couple of cases of Corona when they came over.
But that's recycled Mexican piss. You can't let your brother drink that.
Oh, I have beer I can bring to Jay's, and looked at it and said, oh, it's Corona. Yeah,
I can't. Everybody, he can't. He can't. So look at this. We're going to burn the disco out today. We're doing tacos. Robert, are you making tacos, Robert? He's making tacos. I can't even see what I'm... You're making the tacos? You're making the mix? You're making the mix. That's to go in the tacos meat. The tacos meat is over here.
Oh, I have a pair.
See? It's turning browned. You gotta brown it the meat, and then you put the shit in it,
Yeah,
and then it turns to shit later, right?
It's just shad right now. I gotta keep it going. Just a little bit.
Yeah, I beg my pardon. Oh, look, we gotta do the cheese now. Gotta go, boys. We gotta do the cheese now. Okay, so that took all about 4 seconds there. And the meat's coming along. Is the meat coming along? Are you chooching?
Yep.
Are you chooching? Oh, you're chooching on the cheese, right? Yeah. You had to. She had to. People leaving beers around. Who's got an almost full beer they're not drinking? You can't. It's mine. This is my 1847. And it's...
I'm empty. I gotta go for a
I'm gonna be real honest with the camera right now.
I'm gonna be real honest with the camera. I am thirsty. Tasty beverage. Here I go.
Oh shit! Here we go again. You broke it?
No, it broke.
It broke.
It broke.
You broke it.
No.
From the red to the red, what happened? She broke it or it broke?
She broke it.
I mean, yeah.
It broke?
Oh, now you're definitely not getting laid.
I got that on camera, or can I hold you to that? Ah!
What about me?
Well, I don't need you. I got Jamie.
You got Patty. What's in the face?
Jay's married. My condolences.
Soon. Give it to
See, you
so
have that honeymoon phase where you can still get laid. And then
I don't know what happened.
Wow.
You see what happened here?
What happened was Stan got in Rob's vagina, and Alyssa is like, take it like a man, and he's like,
he blew up like nothing. So now Liz is up here, and she's making macaroni and cheese to go with salad and tacos. Like we actually need all that. Now I don't know, because last time the macaroni and cheese didn't go that well. I don't know what happened.
The macaroni and cheese went deliciously.
You weren't fucking here last time.
That's not the fucking point.
That is the fucking
That's
point.
not the fucking
I cleaned that shit out. It had green shit growing in it. It was awesome.
Wait, the mac and cheese I had?
No, not the mac and cheese. You had the one after that.
Oh, okay.
No, that was different. That was
I was gonna say,
no name brand or something. I don't know. But anyway, it all broke. So what broke? Well, let me see your tits.
The little aww.
What happened?
Oh,
your tits fell to the floor?
No,
I found it.
Oh, you found. Oh, he can't. You found your tits.
Oh, you're wonderful.
He did.
Do you have a tiny Ziploc bag?
Wait, let me see. What's
Wait, let me get my condom.
No.
Put it here.
That's a tiny Ziploc bag, dude.
You want me to squeeze that together with a pliers or actually solder it for you?
Which would you prefer?
I don't. Yeah, I guess whatever.
Is whatever an answer?
Can you put it together like it's supposed to go, and I'll solder it, and it'll look knackered anyway, but it'll work?
I don't want it to look knackered.
It'll look kind of knackered.
Now, what about pliers?
Well, pliers ain't gonna keep it together that well.
Yeah.
Then I'll stop wearing it.
What?
Give me a blood.
Don't do
I mean, I can make it look knackered, and you always cut it off with a wire cutter.
Happy. Make Rob's family happy.
So, I don't know what just happened, but Chad is shaking the cheese out.
I know. Look, you gotta get it all at the bottom.
Well, the whole thing, do you know they sell that shit separately?
No, they don't.
They do. They do. You can actually buy it, like, you know the Kraft,
That's me.
you see, and you can't, and
I don't even know where my phone is.
You can't, it's all, the whole program's dickered, boys. Sorry. I know I look fucking scary with the beard. It's gonna go away in about a month or so. We're just waiting. April is, somebody lowered this chair, it's way too low. But, yeah, we're gonna wait until about my birthday, end of May. It's about middle of April right now.
I got plans with some shit on.
We have
on Sunday.
Shad trying to talk to the Mexican, trying to convince him to come over.
Well, I was planning on bringing it over to the house anyway.
We have Liz making macaroni and cheese, and she's trying to find a strainer for it. I don't know what's going on. The whole program is fucking dickered, boys. Everybody else is downstairs eating. I'm not even down there. I don't even know what's going on. They moved the table away from the wall and put the lamps on the floor. I don't even know, boys, and we gotta go. Okay, Mexican. Are you there? Yeah, what's the deal? How come you're not here at Jay's bar?
They deported me.
What the hell did you say?
I have no idea. Something about a bean.
I heard it. Well, from Mexican, I would expect that. So what's going on? You cooking beans on the grill and they keep falling through? Is that what's going on?
Cook me some tortillas again.
Oh shit! You can, man. We even have watermelon for the nigga here. I hear Mexicans like some of that.
Yeah, we do.
So what's going on? How come you're not at Jay's bar?
Huh?
How come you're not at Jay's bar?
I was gonna tell him if he was going over there tomorrow night, then I'd be there. But since he says he's not coming tomorrow,
Jay's bar is Thursdays on Fridays, and
That's
Fridays now.
All right. Well, anyway, we tried.
Yep.
Okay.
Maybe
Take
next
care.
time.
All right. Bye-bye. Okay, the batteries are dying. Shad did not throw up because we didn't run a power hour, which is still running somewhere back there. But they moved the table out and put all my cups and shit on the floor. And they moved the table out. I don't know why. And now we have people behind the bar. We have Rob and Liz behind the bar. Patty's here. How'd you make it? And then we got Will. And we got T. And they're making shit in the blender. Are you making shit? Oh wait, look. I didn't sit at Jay's bar and get bartended in. Check it out.
Can I fill that more?
I'll get a little bit if you want. That's good. And then, what are you making there? You made vodka cranberries, is this? I heard. And Robert is making a Robert drink with cookie dough. You made put cookie dough in there?
Yeah,
I just wash it. It's fine.
Soapiness in it.
Well, it's fine. Just mix it up. It'll be good.
Can you just
Tell somebody to rinse
run out
it.
the water real quick and I'll soapiness that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Beg your pardon. Did I beg your pardon?
A little taste of poison never hurts.
Oh, you like that, Nellie? Don't put it on before you get the top back.
I'm coming!
Oh, we got Chaz to Sis.
I told him stop texting, so.
He's back. We got Chaz to Sis. You down here? Well, Chaz is turning green again. Oh, we got blunders. It might be, actually.
It might be. I said I just wanted one of those, so I get one of those and one of those.
Wait, what happened? Wait, hold it. What happened?
What happened? Oh. I'm not that far gone, Jack.
I gotta take that green light down, but anyway, Robert has a drinkage.
We're gonna do the smart
What was
thing.
that sound?
Oh, now he's putting the top on instead of letting it explode. Look what he did to the bar. Look at that.
You know, you put it
Anyway,
on
he's like,
the top of the middle.
the wife is hearing that. But we're calling everybody down to the bar. You drinking? He's drinking.
I'm chooching.
Wait, we have watermelon for the nigga.
Watermelon. I mean, no. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Back my part. Back my part. What are you giving him, a hand job up there?
I'm not even trying to figure out.
Oh, you say your part, even.
I saw somebody who had leather, latex, and someone to say no to.
All I know is that I have two people that are running my bar, and I don't know anything about this. Oh, he's banging on the bar with the chooch there. Yeah.
Where's the rest of it?
Wait, I'll go. Nico, there's more in the dishwasher if you need or wherever.
If I can have to drink out of the blender, because I'm okay with that.
True alcoholic.
That's it.
I am not an alcoholic.
Alcoholics go to me.
See, that ain't good to AJ's part. I don't know.
We like those. We visit.
So what do you think, T?
I know. Hi.
Hi,
never
T.
know how much alcohol is
Hi,
in there.
T. What do you think, T?
I don't doubt it. I'm trying to figure out.
Oh, you have Troll House?
Uh-huh.
And then secondly,
What do you think, T? Is it good?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
What do you think, nigga?
I think
What do you think? Is it good?
I don't even know what is in here, but it's
Wait,
delicious.
she's shouting
be
me.
added. This needs to be added.
Oh, you can't,
Oh, yeah.
no.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
But we have
and
to
Charlie's shit needs to come out.
We have to put more shit in the fucking, you can't read that shit, see? See how you can't read it? You can't. Like I said, you can't, and you gotta take it out, because you can't. Yeah, it's like not really. They're busy fucking on the couch. I beg my pardon. Shit's upside down now, and
Now you're right side up, and I'm up. Wait, I'm right side up too. Wow.
You know much less.
I don't know what this is, but it's got cookie dough. Tastes like a bitch drink. Rob, of course, will come up with it, but I'm okay.
We were hoping they were doing something sexy. They're not.
Who's rubbing who's feet?
is that why my couch is the way it is?
We were hoping.
I beg my pardon.
Alright,
Quit failing.
next. We'll go next. Are they doing something that is sexy and feel like
I wonder what they're going to do.
No. They're
Are they doing anything?
talking.
And I thought I had said in my vagina.
We have Liz and Chad running the bar. We have other people. We have and T, Robert, Samuel, Matthias.
Would I believe that?
Not even sitting at the bar. I'm down at the corner. I don't know how this happened. Everything's begged my pardon. I don't know. Can't even see the fail block.
One at a time.
Okay, so I don't know what happened, boys, but the whole bar is at Jay's bar.
Wow.
The table
20 stories.
is moved out from the table. I mean, from the wall. You shaft the rope on it. See again? No, we're getting there. The clock hasn't been fixed yet. I'm still waiting to put a battery in that. And everybody's at Jay's bar. Somebody knackered it, so we don't have any fail blogs.
Not exactly the close-up you like it.
With Matthias. What happened? What happened? You broke it?
Remember when I broke the camera?
Yes, it does.
I remember.
I'll be back.
There you go. Sorry.
Oh, they're all going for cigarettes now. They're going for cigarettes?
Yes?
I was actually gonna go for my coat, but maybe who's going?
You going for a cigarette?
I had planned on it.
You going for a cigarette now? You going for a cigarette? Matt, you going for a cigarette?
Eventually.
I can go.
You going for a cigarette? Are you going for a cigarette? I think they're going for a cigarette. I'm not sure.
Eventually.
Not sure. They're behind the bar. They're going for cigarettes. They beg their pardon. Liz, you beg your pardon?
You just drinking milk?
She begs her pardon. You beg your pardon? Oh, see, even the wife begs her pardon.
That milk from the Clockwork Orange.
Sam, do you beg your pardon? Sam begs her pardon. See, you beg your pardon?
Never.
Never. He begs his pardon. See, like I said.
I beg my pardon.
You beg his
I
pardon?
beg my pardon.
See?
Never.
See, do you beg your pardon?
I beg my pardon all day long. I'm not begging it this time.
I'm the only one. Oh,
Whoa, what?
Huh?
What did you say?
I'm not begging my pardon.
I'm good.
Did you see the flappy shit like I got too?
You mean like
When you did that? Like over here? I got that too, you
I
know?
got that wings.
Isn't that terrible?
I know. I don't know how it happened.
Wait, I think I got it too. I think I got it too.
Wait, let me see. Let me see. I can't. Let me zoom in.
It's not working.
Oh, I can't. Everybody
There's
can.
no flabby shit on my arm.
Oh, not at all, Matt. No.
He's
Not
like,
at all.
touch that, Jay. Touch that, motherfucker.
Camera's watching.
Wait, here we go.
Touch it.
Oh, look at that. It
Wait.
waves.
Give the glass to somebody else and wave bye-bye.
Here. And here. And here.
You know, I could jiggle my ass in the same way, but I don't know.
My stomach does that too.
Astronaut Matt, you know.